In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Binance Withdrawal suspended. Now, there's multiple reasons why this issue could be happening, and in this video, we take a look at the most common causes and the solution. So, first of all, we need to understand why withdrawals are suspended in the first place. Number one is due to system maintenance. So, Binance may suspend withdrawals during wallet maintenance, hard forks, or network congestion. This usually resolves within 2 to 24 hours. So, sometimes the Binance system could be overworked, and in that instance, you would need to go ahead and just wait out a couple hours to like 24 hours maximum. All right. And the next thing you want to look out for is security checks. So suspicious activity, for example, logins from unfamiliar devices or IPs, or even large withdrawals can trigger risk management protocols, temporarily disabling withdrawals. And by the way, if you just recently changed your password or any other security settings, then that is going to suspend withdrawals for a 24 to 48 hour period for security reasons. So if you just changed your password recently and you realize you aren't able to do withdrawals, that is why, and you simply need to wait it out in that case. Next up is KYC/AML compliance. So incomplete or pending know your customer verification or anti-money laundering requirements can restrict withdrawals. So make sure you fully do them and make sure you have the right documentation, for example, a valid ID and stuff like that. And obviously this should go without saying, but you always want to go ahead and look out for insufficient wallet balance or network issues. So low funds or attempting to withdraw assets on an unsupported network can cause issue. So you just want to double check that number one, you have enough funds, and number two, that you are on the right network. So whenever you're trying to withdraw money, just make sure you're doing it on the right network. Otherwise, it is not going to work and you're going to get a withdrawal suspension error. Anyways, you always want to go ahead and look out for notifications. So look for emails or in-app notifications from Binance explaining the suspension reason and the resolution timeline. And if anything, it's always a good idea to follow Binance's official Twitter or a website announcement for system maintenance update. But guys, one really great resource is to contact the Binance customer support because they're typically going to walk you through everything and let you know what the next steps are. I know working with these customer services can be a little bit frustrating, but trust me guys, it will actually get the job done. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on your profile picture, then go ahead and select on Get Help. Afterwards, it is going to take you to this page over here where there is going to be a bunch of articles that you guys can go ahead and take a look at, but you just want to go ahead and select on Messages, and then it is going to allow you to talk to a Binance customer representative, and you just want to explain to them your situation, explain to them that you are trying to actually withdraw funds. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.